The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hutchinson County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Stinnett, or 12 miles northwest of Borger, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact.
No gatekeepers, no
Injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Borger, Sanford, and Stinnett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Hutchinson, Texas.